Let's talk about electrician pay in Kuwait. The average salary of an electrician in Kuwait is 10,000 US dollars a year. That works out to roughly $833 each month before tax. An entry-level electrician salary in Kuwait sits well below this average figure, but your pay goes up noticeably fast as you gain practical experience. Once you reach a solid skill level, your growth stops unless you move into supervision, which is why taking on extra leadership matters if you want to earn more. While you do not always need a university degree to start, having higher education sets you apart and helps you move into better roles, so it opens up opportunities to become an electrical supervisor or an electrical project manager. On top of that, learning complex specializations like industrial automation brings in higher electrician wages because companies pay top money for rare technical skills.